KNeighbors Classifier. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. And that actually came from a viewer. I'm not smart enough to come up with that slogan. So all right. So what we're going to be looking at today is we're going to be diving into our sklearn neighbors. And as I was working through this and beginning to really delve into it, well, I think the best place to start is the classifier. So to remind you, when we have our data set that we're looking at, we have we're looking at our flowers. So our X is the measurements, and then they are identified or classified as one of three types of flowers. So as I was reading through and doing some research, I was like, this is a great place to start. So let's just kind of take a peek at it. All right, so classifier implementing the KNearest neighbors vote. Not quite exactly sure what this is, but what this is doing is it is going through and using a default of this auto algorithm, but there are four: brute force search, ball tree, and KD tree. And we're going to begin to tweak this and use these to see what kind of variance we get in the two different techniques. And if you go ahead and pull this in, so we just kind of, and here's where it lives. So you saw in the documentation, sklearn.neighbors, and then we're going to import the neighbors classifier and we're going to alias it. Of course, we still need to bring in all of this right here, and we're bringing in our data set. So, and then if we do I think I did a dir on that. Let's look. Dir on K and C. As you'll begin to see, and you can do your own research and begin to play around with this, but has our fit, has our predict, has our score, but we're also going to tweak this a little bit and use maybe a different type of measurement. I don't want to misspeak and say what that is, but we're going to play around with this group of models here, and they're all, we have classifier, where's the one that I think we're also going to be using? Yes, linear regression. So KNeighbor regressor, regression based on KNearest neighbors. So there we go. Real quick video today, but just like always, I'm setting the stage for what we're going to be doing next, and that you'd be able to go and do, no, sorry, I still have my caps lock on. K, N, C. But yeah, here's the documentation. And I want you to go in and I want you to familiarize yourself with this. I think this is too big to fit in the spider. That's the only, oh no, there it fit. Okay. So, all right. Here are some of the arguments. So in neighbors, defaults set to 5, weights, uniform, algorithm, auto. We talked about that for a minute. Leaf size, have not read anything on that. And same thing with metric and metric parameters. So we're going to begin to play around with this, see the results that we get here, and see how they differ, if they're better. Because these are the things that I'm learning and reading about, is it's trial and error to build up your knowledge base, and then going from there and go, oh, we should probably attack it with this type of problem. It's this type of data points, and go on from here, because this is a identifier. This is a classification problem. So neighbor classifier. That's how I set up on this. Now, all of this may be completely wrong, but we're on this journey together. So please make sure you're hitting that like, subscribe button, hit the notification, jumping over to the Discord server. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.